All right, this is 5.4, Solving Radical Equations and Inequalities, video number 2. And in this time, we're going to deal with some real-life problems. Okay? So, we need to figure out what we're talking about here. So in basketball, the term hang time is the amount of time that a player is suspended in the air when making a basket. To win a slam dunk, oops, that's supposed to say contest, spelling error. The players try to maximize their hang time. They want to be in the air as long as possible. So a player's hang time is given by the equation t equals a 0.5 times square root of h, where t is the time in seconds and h is the height in feet of the jump. The second place finisher of the slam dunk contest had a hang time of 1 second, and the winner had a hang time of 1.2 seconds. How many feet higher did the winner jump than the finisher? So to be able to answer how much higher he jumped, I need to first figure out how high they both jumped. So I'm going to have my first place and my second place. And I'm going to use the equation t equals a 0.5 times square root of h. Now, first place, so that's the winner, had the hang time of 1.2. So that's the time. So that goes in the place of t. And I left the rest of the equation the same. So I'm trying to get the radical by itself so I can solve. So I'm going to divide by the 0.5. And I end up with 2.4 equals the square root of h. The radical is by itself, so to get rid of it, I take whatever the index is, and I take that power of both sides. So this index is 2, so I'm going to use the power of 2. Okay, so this side leaves me with h, and it's going to equal about 5.76 feet. Okay? Now we need to do the second place. I'm going to use the same equation, t equals 0.5 times square root of h. The second place finisher did 1 second. Okay, so its time is 1. The rest of the equation stays the same. We're going to solve just like we did the first place, so I need to get square root of h by itself, so I'm going to divide by 0.5. And that is 2 equals the square root of h. Now we need to get rid of the square root by squaring both sides. So I get 4 equals h. All right, so height of second place was 4 feet. Height of first place was 5.76. And this wants to know how much higher did first place jump than second place. So I'm going to take 5.76 and subtract 4. And that equals about 1.76 feet. All right. So now you can go to the practice and do the final 2 problems, 13 and 14. Submit it on Big Ideas. Take a screenshot of your score, turn it into a PDF, and turn it into Canvas.